Hill slides and landslide occurrences in Manipur are not new due to its predominantly hilly terrain, but the state witnessed a notable rise in such incidents in 2025 with around 47 landslides reported, largely triggered by frequent short-duration heavy rainfall that destabilizes slopes and endangers lives, infrastructure and settlements. In response to the increasing threat and its impact on mankind, 3 young IT students have developed an artificial intelligence AI model capable of predicting potential landslide. They have proposed to conduct a trial of the model in Manipur, considering its vulnerability to landslides. We have an exclusive report from SKTV News Chief Reporter Ketrimim Premchand. Let's take a look.
Despite the scenic hill ranges and the beauty of Manipur, their state has been experiencing frequent landslides due to combination of environmental and climatic factors, with short duration, heavy rainfall emerging as a measured course amid changing global climate conditions.
Forest is young cook therapy. Direct rainfall sina raindrop mayam sina soil thaba matam jida soil mayam gi erosion si yam high intensity da thui ko tapna sang churaga na muk sai water mayam je percolate tawraga slope kumba kari kumba da stability later mafam da di mioi bana interference thola ba bi lambi ka kuni khangde atope structure sajal kuni khangde yam sang na nong je churaga di lepna sum chu thaga di sing do percolate tawraga landslide thokpagi yam chances yam wang.
Manipur receives an average annual rainfall of around 1,400 millimeters. Intense rainfall within a short period of time were reported multiple times in the year 2025, leading the growing difficulties faced by the people in the region. Considering the changing pattern of rainfall due to climate change, taking precautionary measures in advance to prevent landslides in hill regions has become increasingly crucial, especially in Manipur, where no proper early warning system is available to get. In a significant development, 3 young IT students have successfully developed artificial intelligence model capable of predicting potential landslides. The innovative model secured second position in the 48-hour AI hackathon held during the recently concluded Tech Sprint Manipur 1.0.
थोलकदब जिंगदगी अखोना नाथोंनबदा अखोजे अर्ली प्रेडिक्शन तौगदबनेबा प्रेडिक्शन तौर तारगदी सुमाइना अखोना अथॉरिटी अखोई मॉडल जी मतुंगिना authority high tareko adi kodamone jingi district lay jingi mai police station lay jingi da khoi gi model jina mod pidu information pidu ne ba sumaya nong tare andra ka sumaya akoi ahong changes khar lay re landslide thokpa yai hai ba jo adu maina high maina prediction pi taraga di akoi da parja mayam oiga chu parja mayang lagi di authority sing da loss oiga da mayam do koina predict tawna ba di ngang thokna ba hai tareko maina toroga semjira pa
satellite fangada data haibdi elevation gumba magi nong gi sang napi kayam hawi panbi kayam hawi AI model amda fitoselakan da magi risk tholakani ba risk da ma se risk wangbra adi moderate laibra adu matungina si risk awang ba jaka sida red oigani ba aduga risk khara moderate ba jaka sina na yellow oigani ba aduga sigi risk awang ba jaka sida sir akoina sensor khin ga dawne ba sida ju ulle slope ki rainfall ki vegetation ki adi magi kayam stable oi de da aduga sigi sida sensor khille habne na sensor manungi data sensor ji da low do sina soil moisture low ni magi till hadi magi kano do slope to adu low ni adi mai vibration ju low ni ba adu sigi je amuk atopa AI model amada thajal kanda hadi mana si risk predictor ka de ne ba risk predictor matung da mana matam kya matung da thokpa yai si ulaka de ne ba adu kai gino koina satellite to dang tog do bida ground station is high target satellite in ground station real time to bunga satellite from what the kuda keep hung there real time to bunga me aduga hidi sol moisture gum di lebak maning lay potidi satellite ubungam de adugi akoina ground station
landslide prediction oivenina government gi project oina sembe aba tie up tawraga sembe aba project ama oina semjagibane adui matakta akhoi gi se biksit bharat ki vision gi matungina su semjai amadi sustainable development goal ga so align tawraga su semjai hai tar mayam gi kana na ba amadi mayam je awa ana do ta drikanda khangwa ngamna gi dang ta semja project ama oivenina government ga chatpa ngamagadi yam nungai jagane.
It is indeed time to seriously discuss how new science and technology can help fight the impacts of climate change, especially the changing patterns of temperature and rainfall. While technology cannot completely stop climate change on its own, it plays a crucial role in reducing its effects and helping societies adapt. This is Ketchamayong Premchand reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.